In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Bluetooth widget to your iPhone. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a like on this video. So what you want to do if you want to easily toggle your devices instead of doing it like so, go to your shortcuts, open up Apple Shortcuts. Once you have opened up your Apple Shortcuts, click on the top right on the plus action, then click on Add Action, then you want to search for Bluetooth and then tap on Set Bluetooth. And now from here, what you want to do is make sure that the turn is on toggle so that it toggles every time. And the next thing what you want to do is click on Done. Once you have created this, click on the three dots, then on the bottom to click the share icon and then click Add to home screen and then click on Add. Now if I go back, I can see that it's set on my iPhone, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, leave a like. If you're still having issues, let me know in the comments down below.